Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Cecilia.
And I'm Juan.
Today we're going to be unboxing Universal Yums. So we don't know what place it's from. So let's open this. So we're going to unbox this, and it's from Thailand. This is the
flag.
This is the flag.
If you didn't.
If you didn't see it, it's right here. It's from Thailand.
Okay.
So the first thing we're going to be trying is the spicy sesame coated peanuts.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like. I got it. I'm scared. So this is my brother's. This is mine. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no. That just isn't so bad.
Yeah, the taste just tastes like peanuts to me, but it just tasted spicy to me. The next thing we're going to be trying is Blendy chocolate coconut chips. So this is what it looks like.
That's what it looks like.
There's an open sign.
Okay. Yummy. It says it on.
This is what it looks like. 3, 2, 1. It sort of tastes like chocolate, but it mostly tastes like coconut to me.
Yeah. That's good.
Sort of tastes like chocolate milk. So, the next thing we're going to be trying is Thai Big Roll Barbecue. I'm scared because this is grilled seaweed roll.
Oh no.
This is what it looks like. 3, 2,
I took an extremely small bite. And I felt crazy.
Yeah, it tastes like seaweed. I kind of like seaweed, sort of.
I don't like seaweed.
I only like the salted ones, though. This is a bit weird. But it's sort of good. It's sort of sweet. So,
And we got
the next thing we're going to be trying is
Sandai.
Sandai Strawberry Cream Wafer.
Okay.
Yes, this is it because I see it in the photo.
Okay, so
It looks like Pocky, sort of. 3, 2, 1. Tastes really good. I like it.
Okay.
It tastes like strawberry.
Yeah.
Like really good strawberry.
Yeah, really.
The next thing we're going to be trying is Amira Tamarind Candy from my pocket. Okay, let's open it.
Thing that I said before.
3, 2,
Open it.
here.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
I actually like it.
I like that too.
The thing that I said before was wrong.
The next thing we're going to be trying is Tom Yum Pretz.
Yay!
Oh. Oh gosh.
Oh!
It has a shrimp on it, and I don't really like seafood, and neither does my brother.
No!
They just gotta ruin it.
I thought it was a pizza one.
No, the pizza was red.
Oh god. It's not. It actually kind of tastes good.
3,
I don't know why. It actually tastes good. Somehow.
Yeah. All I taste is lime.
It's like lime bread.
It's sort of spicy.
Yeah. That's a nice.
No, I taste it now. Fish now.
It's
Little Farm garlic bread. This is what it looks like. Oh. Here's yours. And here's mine.
Oh,
It looks like little totes.
Mine is
3, 2,
I like it.
Tastes like a sweet garlic bread.
I know.
We're going to be trying Euro Pazan cake.
No.
It smells sort of good. Here's my brother's. This is what it looks like in the middle. There's a liquid in it. I didn't try the middle. I'm gonna try it.
I like it. It's weird. It's really weird.
It's weird, but I actually like it. Really sweet, but I don't know what it tastes like. The next thing we're going to try is coffee. United Coffee Candy. So, 1.
It's really just candy. Coffee like.
it tastes like the cappuccino jelly bean I had at school last week. And then last thing, I think we would actually have to make this.
It's a bonus item.
It's a bonus item. It's a Thai tea drink with cream and sugar.
Yeah.
If I had to pick a favorite one here, I would pick.
I actually kind of like this coffee one.
I would pick the
Strawberry one for me. No, maybe the garlic bread.
I would pick the
Garlic bread, yeah.
tamarind candy. It tastes really good. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.